I came America. From. I cold. Am. Car is very old-fashioned. Answer is Fatima's. I speak English, but he. Answer is doesn't speak. Nowadays, everyone internet. Answer is uses. There anybody in the room? Answer is. How many siblings? Answer is both. What you doing? Answer is are. Which book is? Answer is yours. She is home. Answer is at. She eats apple. Answer is an. Why she come late? Answer is does. I a pen. Answer is have. These books. Answer is are. 60 minutes is. Answer is 1 hour. The superlative form of far is. The answer is farthest. This girl is beautiful than her. The answer is more. He is interested learning. Answer is in. Were John and Mary yesterday? Answer is where. How long learning English? The answer is have you been? Are you than her? The answer is taller. You see a doctor. Answer is all of them. After this, you should drive. Answer is more carefully. Do you go to school? Answer is yes, I go. My birthday is June. The answer is in. My birthday is 18 June. The answer is on. Do you work night? The answer is at. I, a horse. The answer is ride. There many people in the office. The answer is are. She the dishes yesterday. The answer is washed. Do you work? The answer is where. Do you work for? The answer is whom. I went to hospital. The answer is on Friday. He does not have friend. The answer is any. He is good drawing. The answer is at. She goes to school. The answer is always. There are 50 questions this paper. The answer is in. When she was 10 years old, she ran very fast. The answer is could. Is there in the room? The answer is anyone. I born in 2002. The answer is was. He drives car. The answer is very fast. Third form of eat is the answer is eaten. Do you to me? The answer is listen. You don't have time. The answer is Much. She climbed Everest. The answer is the Mount. I will look it in the book. The answer is 4. My mother delicious meal for us every day. The answer is cooks. I haven't seen you 2009. The answer is since. You go to school. The answer is have to. I hope everyone learned something from this. The answer is has.